What's going on, guys? I'm about to die.
What is up, everyone? Welcome to the new skate vlog. We are here. Photography man. He's doing pictures for his class. No caption about him. And the waterfall. So anyway, we are out here in so we're downtown and we're gonna do some parkour, some photography. Check it out. So as you can see, this is one of the spots we're dealing with. There's a lot of steps. Okay. I'll make some cinematic footage in narrow. By the way, you're standing there, but I'm just talking to you through the camera and you can hear it later. So as you can see, this is a great opportunity spot. All these steps here. Waterfall going down the middle. All these like different levels of these stairs. Some benches, waterfall. A few rock walls over there. A lot of things we can do here. I think we should be able to get a few nice videos and some cinematic footage. Here's Mox warming up.
Is it?
Here's Jasper warming up. Yeah, that's how he always warms up, by the way.
People.
Next, the sport they beat the show. Camera.
Well then, that's clear. Hello people, we just did some parkour here and a photo shoot. We will be going to the next spot. Apparently we're going to get some snacks before we go. We go get a little bit of snacks. So yes, that will be it.
I don't know what he all said, but y'all are...
Whoa! Sketchy! Woohoo!
YouTube, we are at a new gym. I am vlogging today a bit. Like that. That's how you do it, boys. And here's the rest of the group. I'm also just going to do a front flip without trampoline over the trampoline when everyone else goes away. Wait, let's get them out.
Hold up.
So check out my POV, I'm gonna do a stride to side flip. Alright, never mind. The gym session's already over. Here's Jasper getting bulked. That do be a flex though. Okay, so we have to clean up now. What's with the front flip?
I thought you were gonna pre.
Thanks for watching. That was the Skapp vlog for September. I know it's already October, but yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. See you in the next one.